Hello, welcome to Kronos Mentoring Program. This is Satyaram, and this is first of a series of videos on aptitude. In this video, we are going to cover very basics of arithmetic. To be more specific, we'll be covering number system. Aptitude is an integral part of most of the examinations, competitive examinations, be it an assessment test conducted by an organization during campus recruitment, or maybe an entrance examination like CAT. And when it comes to aptitude examination, arithmetic is an integral part, and it's essential that you know arithmetic to do well in an aptitude examination. In this video, we will try to recollect the most fundamental concepts of arithmetic which we must have learned in high school mathematics. This might be a bit boring for you, but I strongly feel that revision of these concepts will really help do well in arithmetic. Let's start with number system. In mathematics, a number system is a set of numbers or number-like objects together with some arithmetic operations. And numerals Numeral is a symbol or group of symbols used to represent numbers. See, we may say this is 2, we may say this is 3, we may say this is 4, and this is 5. So this symbol, we can call these as numerals, this 2, 3, 4, 5. And the most common thing which we use is Hindu-Arabic system, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on till 9. This is a number system, and we also have Roman numeral system, as you know, and the main more number systems. To broadly classify, we can classify them based on the base system. See, let us start this way. A decimal number system. Decimal number system is the most common thing which we use. We have 10 symbols to represent. Deci for 10. We have 10 symbols 0 to 9, and we can represent any number using this. Is the most common thing which we see. And Roman also is a decimal number system. And another very common number system is binary system, which is widely used in computers. This has just two symbols, 0 and 1. Say an example number can be something like 10011101. This could be a number representation. And we have regular. Here we have a base 10. We have 10 symbols. Here the base is 2, so we have 2 symbols. We also have octal number system which has 8 symbols, 0, 1 till 7, base 7. And we also have hexadecimal system which has 16 symbols, 0, 1, 2, 3 till 9. These are 10 plus A, B, C, D, E and F. Here we have 16 symbols. So this is a number of base 16. Here is a number of base 7, base 2, base 10. These are various ways of representing a number, and let's see how do we convert these at a later stage in this video. And another way of representing number is using number line or real line. Number line or real line is a one-dimensional graph used to represent the numbers with 0 as a reference point. Let's say we have a straight line, we take the number 0 as a reference point. All positive numbers are taken to the right and all negative numbers are to the left. Say 1, 2, so on, 99, and it goes on, and -1, -2, so on. So this is a number line. Classification of numbers. Numbers can be broadly classified into various groups. Let's start with the numbers which we use the most, the counting numbers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, so on. You see, how many apples do we have? 5 apples. So the number we use to count all these numbers are called natural numbers, represented by the symbol n. And a slight extension of natural numbers is an addition of the number 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. This set of numbers are called the whole numbers, represented by the symbol W. And extension of whole numbers is integers, where we have 0, we have a whole set of whole numbers, and we also have negative counting numbers. These are called integers. And few authors use the symbol Z to show integers, and few authors represented by I. We shall stick to the Z. And a further extension of integers are rational numbers, which are denoted by the symbol Q. A rational number is any number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers. We show it symbolically like this. Q is a set of numbers which can be represented in the form P by Q, where P and Q belong to integers, and Q not equal to 0. So 2 by 3 is a rational number, 1 by 3 is a rational number, minus 7 by 4 is a rational number, because all of these can be expressed in the form of P by Q. And say 1 by 3 is also a rational number, because this can be rewritten as 4 by 3, which is in the form of P by Q. So this is also a rational number. And there are few numbers which can't be expressed in the form of P by Q. So we have another set of numbers called irrational numbers, represented by Q dash, or few authors also use the symbol I, and this might introduce a confusion, so we won't use this symbol or this symbol. So Q dash is a set of irrational numbers. Irrational numbers is a set of numbers which cannot be represented in the form of P by Q. So for example, say root 2. It cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. And the number pi, that also cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. So these are irrational numbers. And rational and irrational numbers put together are called real numbers. So the set of real numbers is all the numbers which can be represented on the real number line. And there are other numbers which cannot be represented on a number line. These are called complex numbers. So basically, these are not real. Real numbers are this whole set, and something which doesn't belong to any of this is a complex number. And here I need to introduce the concept of the number I, which is defined as root of minus 1. So any number of the form a plus ib, where a and b are real numbers, this is a complex number.